guys, what is up? I want you guys to go check out this guy. His name is Brandon. His YouTube channel is youtube.com/fuckflaws. But he is the very person that brought me into GFX and taught me the basics of Photoshop. He took the time out of his day to teach me, something new. He brought me into several GFX teams. He took a chance with me, and took a chance, took time teaching me. Yeah, but but you guys really need to go check him out. He's a really cool guy. I think he only has like one video, but still, go subscribe to him. Go subscribe to Groovy. He's the founder of it. It's youtube.com/weirdgroovy. That's WERE Groovy. So yeah, enjoy the speed art. Thanks, Brandon. If it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't be where I am today. So thank you a lot. Bye.
See, I just try to do me and show we're all equal, and I block out the hate cause I hate being evil. Yeah, and I'ma try to make it perfect. I put something into nothing just to make it all worth it. And I don't hold back, there's no reason to do it. If you do it, don't do it. See that wall and break through it, cause I'm aiming past the buildings and reaching past the ceiling. And I may lose y'all, but I never lose feelings. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines down, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold, just so I could keep my soul. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold, just so I could keep my soul. I'm speaking all triumphant shit, cause y'all ain't heard enough of it. I'ma give it my all, and I'm thankful to y'all because of it. I could say it a million times, in the heart I put in it, you could bet it's all mine. I'm never offline, I'm always on time. And anytime they said I wasn't, they're all lying. I speak real, so now you heard of it. I'm steady flying up, so I am catching all the turbulence. The shit I do is evident, and what I'm on, I murder it. And if you pay attention, then maybe your ass will learn a bit. And my time is make or break it, and I'm sorry if I am, but I got to be blatant. I got to go make it. Excuses ain't for me, and if I ever fall short, then it wasn't meant to be. Yeah, but I'm just trying to be me. See, I'm just trying to be me. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold, just so I could keep my soul. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold, just so I could keep my soul. See, we all got our own pain, promising I won't change. Yeah, the real me, so why lie? I can see you, I can see you fly. See, we all got our own pain, promising I won't change. Yeah, the real me, so why lie? I can see you, I can see you fly. One more time, let me say it, pick your head up, hold it all down, let them know that you ain't let up. I say one more time, let me say it, pick your head up, hold it all down, let them know that you ain't let her go. Sum up my life in one song, I couldn't. Anyway, I'm always doing things I shouldn't. If you think I change, act strange, I haven't. Imagine if it was my planet, I'd grab it. I probably want it on forever, but if never is great, is it even for the better? Now or never is the time, remembering the occasion. And if anything's grown, it has to be my patience, but that is of no relation to the dialogue that I am on. Fuck all of the media, from Fox right up to Viacom, so you can lay flat like the starch I put the iron on. Running over bullshit, gotta keep my tires strong, turning nothing into something real. And if we swap lives, how will you feel? Cause we all have separate problems, even that person you hate, you can bet they all got them. This is the reason that I do this rap shit, so all the poor can even do good and live lavish. Give somebody something who ain't ever had shit, but I'm just one person, tell me if you understand it. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And and I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold just so I could keep my soul. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold just so I could keep my soul. Yeah, and I'm looking from the sidelines now, just so I can lay the guidelines down. And I don't know where I could go, so I put it all on hold just so I could keep my soul.
Yeah, hey. At the start, people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm proving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just stayed strong. And no matter what I heard them tell me, it didn't change my mind. I'm still pushing hard, working hard daily. I'm in a race with time. I put my life on the record, always giving it effort at night. I'm always restless, this music's a life sentence.